Hello viewers, you're welcome back. Today we are going to solve this question here. The data we are given here is that this line PS is a tangent to this circle here at this point P, and that this line PS and line QR are equal in lengths. Angle PSR is 63 degree and QRS is 27 degree. Find the area of this portion here in blue color. We can see here that this line RS is 16 centimeters in length. So how can we find the area now? If we draw another line here from this point Q here to this line RS parallel to this line PS, now we can see that this line here which we just draw is also a tangent at this point Q here, since it is parallel to this line PS here, which is also a tangent at this point P here. Based on the property of a cycle that any straight line segment that touches the 2 points at which two parallel tangents touches the cycle is a diameter, we can draw a line here from this point P here to point Q, which we just noted that is a diameter. So line PQ now is a diameter of this circle here. The diameter of a circle is 2 of its radius, and we know that any radius drawn to a tangent of a circle is perpendicular to the tangent. So therefore this tangent here, PS, is perpendicular to this line PQ here. Now if we take out this line here, we are having a triangle here. To confirm, if we add up the angles to see if they are equal to 180 degrees, because the sum of all angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. This here is 63, this here 27, and this is a right angle which is 90 degrees. So 90 degrees plus 63 degrees plus 27 degrees, if you press your calculator, is equal to 180 degrees. And that proves that this is a triangle. And this angle here implies that triangle PRS is a right angle triangle. So how can you find the area of the colored portion? From this triangle here, PRS, if we take out the area of this portion of this circle here from the area of triangle PRS, we are going to be left with only the area of this portion in blue here, which is the portion in question. So we can let the portion in blue to be equal to X and form an equation that area of X equal to area of triangle PRS minus the area of this portion here, which is a semicircle of this circle, and the area of the semicircle is half the area of the circle. So area of X now equal to area of PRS minus half the area of the circle. So what is the area of triangle PRS? The general formula for the area of a triangle is half base times height. So what are the base and the height of triangle PRS? So since triangle PRS is a right angle triangle, generally any of the two sides of a right angle triangle that are perpendicular to each other can be taken as either the base or the height. So that means we can take this side here, PS, as the base, and this line PR as the height. Though we don't have their length, but we have the length of this side here, RS, and the size of the angles of the triangle. So we can use the SOHCAHTOA tool to find the length of the base and the heights. So taking this angle here, this is the opposite because it's facing angle 60 degree. This here the hypotenuse because it's facing the right angle, and here the adjacent. Now from this, SOH sin theta equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Theta is 63 degree. Opposite is the height, and hypotenuse is 16. So sin 63 degree equal to height over 16. Making height the subjects, now height equal to sin 63 degree times 16, which is 14.26 approximately. So the height of the triangle is 14.26 centimeters in length. Now coming back to this CAH, cos theta equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Once again, theta is 63 degrees, adjacent is the base, and hypotenuse is 16 centimeters. So cos 63 degrees equal to base over 16. Making base the subjects, base equal to cos 63 degrees times 16, which is 7.26 approximately. So the base of triangle PRS is 7.26 centimeters. And we found its height here to be 14.26 centimeters. If we substitute them here to find the area of PRS, now area equal to 1 over 2 times 14.26 times 7.26, which is 51.7638. So area of triangle PRS now is found to be 51.7638 centimeters squared. If we substitute it here now, area of x equal to 51.7638 minus half the area of circle. So what is the area of the circle? The formula for the area of a circle is pi r squared. Pi is 22 over 7 and r is radius. So what is the radius of this circle here? Since this is the diameter, if we have its length, we can divide by 2 to have the radius of the circle. So what is the length of line PQ? Recall we have this line QR and this line PS to be equal in length, and we have this line here to be 7.26 centimeters. So that means this line QR is also 7.26 centimeters. And recall this whole line here, line PR, is 14.26 centimeters. To find line PQ, we just subtract 7.26 from 14.26. So now line PQ equal to 14.26 minus 7.26, which equals to 7 centimeters. And that means the diameter of this circle here is 7 centimeters. And if the diameter is 7 centimeters, the radius must be 7 centimeters divided by 2, which is 3.5 centimeters. Now we have the radius of the circle to be 3.5 centimeters. Substituting it here to find its area. Now area equal to 22 over 7 times 3.5 squared, which is 38.5. So area of circle equal to 38.5 centimeters square. Substituting it here now, area of x equal to 51.7638 minus 1 over 2 open bracket 38.5. 1 over 2 open bracket 38.5 is 19.25. So area of x now equal to 51.7638 minus 19.25, which is 32.5138. So the total surface area of the blue color portion here is 32.5138 centimeters squared.